Cryptocurrencies are a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and are decentralized, meaning they're not controlled by any government or financial institution. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. Cryptocurrencies use blockchain technology, which is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger that records transactions on multiple computers. This allows for transparency and prevents fraud, as each transaction is recorded and verified on the blockchain. One of the key features of cryptocurrencies is that they are not subject to the same regulations and controls as traditional currencies. This allows for faster and cheaper transactions, as there are no intermediaries like banks involved. Additionally, transactions with cryptocurrencies are secure and anonymous, as users are identified by a string of numbers and letters rather than their personal information. While Bitcoin was the first and remains the most well-known cryptocurrency, there are now thousands of different cryptocurrencies available, known as altcoins. These include popular options such as Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique features and functions, and many are designed for specific purposes, such as facilitating payments or providing a platform for decentralized applications. Investing in cryptocurrencies has become increasingly popular in recent years, with many people attracted to the potential for high returns. However, it is important to remember that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and risky, and investing should be done carefully and with a long-term perspective. The most important thing to understand is that cryptocurrencies are a revolutionary form of digital currency that utilizes blockchain technology and offers a secure and anonymous way to conduct transactions. While they are not without risks, they have the potential to greatly impact the financial industry and the way we conduct transactions in the future.